And yes, 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 I know.
Big congrats to Strad for on the new Ferrari.
6.5-liter V12. How in the world is this, ladies and gentlemen?
Bro.
812 super fast.
An 812? That's crazy.
YouTube, welcome back to another video. All right, so as you can tell, it is starting to lightly rain on us, and we are heading off to a car meet. But first, we're gonna go get some dinner at one of my favorite Japanese places. I do love to go eat at. It's like 15 minutes from here, and yeah. Also, cold start on a 2014 Nissan Versa SV. Quiet and lame. So I also want to give Strad, man, someone I've looked up to, someone I've also hung out with a couple times for my vlogs. I want to give him a big congrats on the new 812 Superfast. Cuz we're just sitting in my car next to the beach, just eating food. No, I'm not at the car meet. It's going to be a little bit until they get here. Until the meet starts, so. Because I was looking at the thing, it says it starts at 6, but I highly doubt it starts at 6. I think it starts at 7. Wouldn't be bad to check. But first, this comes first. Got done with the food. Now I'm gonna head to a gas station, go get something to drink, because my mouth is on fire and it burns, and I need something cold, and maybe a soda, and try a new Celsius, because I've been told that they're really good, and I've only had one in my entire life, and I'm gonna probably go buy 1 or 2 of those. So yeah, let's go head to a gas station. We went to a Walmart gas station instead because they don't have any Celsius. So I just got 2 Mountain Dews and a Snickers bar, so just to kind of eat something while I'm there. Plus I do have these still, but this will be a later snack in the evening. Weird ass cut, like a few couples like over there in a graveyard, which is so weird. You don't ever see that. That's so weird. The South is so confusing and weird. Okay, so I thought we were gonna be like where we usually meet. No, we're at the other part where they say they usually meet, but they really actually don't. Like, yeah, it's okay. 350Z, Genesis, Mustang, another Mustang. Mustang back there, Acura, Miata, GTI, Greg's car, Mercedes wagon. Never seen one of those in person. No Genesis, and then the red Mustang. No idea what else is gonna be next, because it's just kind of everybody chills and hang out. But yeah, that's kind of really it. Just everybody usually likes to hang out at a meet, so nothing really crazy going on like Utah's. Sounds like so loud. 350Z, but 5 and some kind of Mercedes. That's super cool. Mustang boys are heading out.
Yards will only charge you. Boop, boop. What? Do get us for our
Second
exhaust?
cop.
None of our cars are. Yeah. The cop? Wait, so where's the new 90? That's right.
Infinity, motorcycle, ST, and and then this is just gonna take the cake. That's true.
Yeah. Get a banner with a 100? Huh?
What's up, my man?
What y'all about to do?
I was trying to get everybody lined up for like one pick. We got a lot of the cool cars there. But without that one. Huh?
They not going
This will get this next time. Motherfucker later.
Alright, yeah.
Why are you driving
I think we going to the Ferris wheel.
He was looking out the back window.
See?
I told you. I mean, you got better visibility.
Yeah, man.
Exactly. I could just draw it down like this.
I didn't want to crash, right? Everybody has ratings. I want to take pictures of this car.
Oh, someone brought the GTO. Bruh. Alright, gas station. Celsius, Celsius, Celsius. Oh, please have Celsius. Right over here, isn't it? Celsius. Yes, they do. Yeah. Orange, watermelon. I'm gonna try one for the first time. My man has never tried a Celsius, so he's gonna try it for the first time.
Never tried Nitro Pepsi before.
I'm not gonna lie to you, I haven't had one of these since like I moved out here. So this is about to be a new flavor to try out.
This isn't sponsored, but.
Now if I could do it with my fingers, that'd be so awesome. Reaction? Kinda good?
That's pretty busted.
Yeah, everybody says that these things are so good.
That's particularly
These things are way too good. Gotta love them though.
Cream.
Never had one of these. The first time trying one of these ones.
It's like cream.
It still tastes like Pepsi though.
Disorienting
That's
because
so weird.
You're expecting like it carbonated.
Yeah, no. But no. So, reactions to the Celsius. Pretty good.
Pretty particularly bursting. Actually.
People actually. So just a little thing. DDE actually gets these all the time from fans at their car meets and stuff because this is like actually sponsored by them and they drink all of it.
Yeah. Hey Celsius. Hey Celsius. I know I'm a nobody, but sponsor the egg.
Not just that, sponsored DC Automotive because this, I will start drinking this more often. I don't drink it as often now, but this is actually a really good
I
drink.
swear, that's.
I don't know, that's kind of really it for the night.
Stop putting that on my spot.
It doesn't put a spot on it though. Sorry.
Just clean this thing today.
Here, I will clean it, yeah. I put a little mess spot on
it's
it.
not even like it matters. I mean, it gets dirty because.
Well, here, I'll put it on my wing.
There you go. Your wing.
My wing. My baby little wing. Anyway,
That's some serious downforce right there.
no, shiz. But my car like shakes when I do it. When I go past like
55.
80, aka 55. It'll start, you can feel the car shaking.
Well, the speed limit on our section.
Yeah.
Is
Our speed section is what? It's technically 70. 70. And then some parts is like, what, 50, 55?
not on here.
Not on I-10, but on a certain,
like back roads.
Yeah.
So you go anywhere between 45 and 60.
yeah. I don't know what else to do besides kind of just end this vlog. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed it, please smash the like button. Please subscribe to the channel. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace.